Sir, actually, I have a doubt regarding to marketing chapter.
हाँ बोलो.
सर जैसे मार्केटिंग में पॉइंट है ना, मार्केट रिसर्च करके अगर आया और उसके कॉन्सेप्ट अगर हमें एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए आए तो उसमें हम लोग मार्केटिंग का डेफिनेशन लिखेंगे तो चलेगा. लाइक मार्केटिंग चैप्टर से अगर हम किसी का भी मतलब लाइक मीनिंग भूल जाते हैं तो मार्केटिंग का मीनिंग लिखेंगे तो मार्क्स मिलेगा.
नहीं, मार्केटिंग का मीनिंग नाउ आई विल कम टू नो योर डाउट. Yes, I will resolve it. And very good question at this juncture. Suppose, see, what is market? I am asking you, what is market? Market is a place where buyers and sellers come together for exchange of goods and services for money and money's worth. Am I right? This is market.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is marketing? Marketing is a systematic process by selling the goods where consumer receives ultimate satisfaction. Where consumer receives ultimate satisfaction. This is marketing. But for marketing research, you are writing only the definition of marketing, which is not sufficient. You have to write the words about research also, so as to give ultimate satisfaction to the consumers. Whatever the depth, whatever the objectives, whatever the steps, whatever the ideas you can launch before introducing the product, that comes under research concept. This is known as marketing research. This way you can write. Okay. Do you agree? जिसने question पूछा था, raise किया
Yes,
था.
sir.
Now you got it. Say, for marketing research, if you write the definition of marketing, if I would have been the examiner, I will give you 0. Because what question we have asked? We have asked the question about marketing research. And you are writing, what is marketing? That means you have not read the question carefully. You are not reading the question carefully. So what we have asked and what you are writing, in the very well beginning only I said that क्या पूछा है और क्या लिखते हैं, that is very important. That is very, very important. So marketing research पूछा है, marketing research की definition मत लिखो, meaning लिखो. Related to marketing activities, whatever the research is being considered or undertaken, right from objectives to the end of the consumer satisfaction, whatever the necessary steps are being taken to maximize the profit, for maximization of sales, to earn reputation and goodwill, whatever blah blah blah, that activities comes under marketing research. So you are not writing anything from any definition. You are writing general interpretation. You are writing general interpretation. Am I right? Now you got it? जिसने सवाल पूछा था उसको समझा कैसे लिखना है बच्चा?
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good, very good. Next question, that is, handwriting should be legible. Just mention it. केवल पन्ने भरने के लिए बच्चे लोग कुछ भी लिखते हैं, ऐसा नहीं चलेगा. Don't write the cinema stories. Don't write the songs in the points. Don't write any shlok. Don't write any mantra. जय श्री साई बाबा की जय, जय जय श्री साई बाबा, साई बाबा साई बाबा साई बाबा. अच्छे वर्ड्स में ऐसे बार बार लिखेंगे तो आपको क्या लगता है पॉइंट और उसका एक्सप्लेनेशन हो गया? You are creating yourself a bad impression. Yes, that means everywhere this guy or this candidate is bluffing the answers. So जाने दो, fail कर दो, 0 0 0. Ultimately you are creating yourself bad impression in the minds of examiner. Don't do like this. Don't do like this. Write something which is related to. That is why I said this paper is very, 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 very crucial. And इसमें marks कमाना बहुत difficult है. But once you will understand the system in which I am explaining to you, definitely you will score very good marks. 101%. Definitely you can cross 65. Follow this.